Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lina and in this video I'll show you the most profitable strategy. If you're new here and you think that trading is too hard for you, it's wrong because my strategies are very simple even for beginners. And now let's start our trading session. Go to my Telegram channel by the link below the video. To do this, open it in the app. Join the group and be sure to turn on notifications so you don't miss any useful information every day. Join my VIP group, just go to the dialogue with me and write plus VIP. We were on the site, I picked up such concept as our starting balance is 100 euros and the time frame of the first trade is 5 minutes. We will open a trade for our entire balance. Let's move on to the first concept path. This concept path suits us. We will open for a follow. As we see, the fractal was updated. Down. The last one before opening deal, but we see that we have already passed 2 candles. A high candle has appeared here. If another candle appears below, here we'll update the fractal up. That will indicate that the chart will move down. We also see by the MACD indicator that now the main line is above and it's directed to the side of the signal line. So it's about to cross it. And yeah, it's the sell signal. Now let me tell you more about fractal. The fractals indicator is an indicator that was introduced by the famous trader Bill Williams. Traders often use fractals to determine the direction in which the price will develop, support and resistance levels, as well as placing a stop loss order. On a candlestick chart, this indicator looks like up and down arrows. An up fractal occurs when there's a series of at least 5 consecutive candles in which 2 lower highs are in front of our and behind the highest high. For purchases, only candle highs are of interest, up fractals. For sales, the lows of candles are of interest, down fractals. The same candlestick can be both a down fractal and an up fractal. As the default fractal is a 5 candle formation, you must wait for the 5th candle to close before making any trading decisions. This is due to the fact that the price may change during the formation of the 5th candle. The number of periods, that is, the number of candles used to build the indicator, can be changed in the settings. So now let me show you on the chart how to use it. In general, as I explained before opening our trade, it's enough to look at which fractal was updated last, and it's desirable to see if the up fractal can still be updated. Here we really see that it can be updated. If a candle appears lower than this one, and accordingly, if the fractal is updated up, then the chart will move down. That is, pay attention to it. When opening a deal, you see if there was a fractal up, you open for fall. If the fractal is down for an increase, just like this. Let's see our trade. The trade for today is up good properties, needing $2. We move on to the next concept path. This concept path is suitable for us. We reduce our time frame to 4 minutes. And we'll open a deal for the entire balance, and we will open for a fall. As we see by the fractal that the last fractal up was updated, so the chart will move down. You also see that according to the MACD indicator, lines are close to each other. The main line is directed towards the signal line, so we will cross it. There will be a sell signal. So let's see. And let me tell you more about MACD. MACD indicator is the trend oscillator combining the properties of both the trend indicator and the oscillator. MACD is calculated on the basis of sliding medium. The purpose of the indicator is to simplify the visual perception of signals supplied by sliding over its reduced delay. For calculation, three exponential slight and medium-sized ones with different periods are used. From a rapid sliding average with a smaller period, a slow sliding average with a large period is deducted. The MACD line is built on the obtained values. The main signal that supplies the indicator is the intersection of the MACD line and the signal line. Now let me tell you how to use it in practice. Here we can observe a sell signal. The main line is green, the signal is red, where our main line crossed the signal line from top to bottom, and here we observe a buy signal as well as here. And you ask, what to do when the lines don't cross? It's simple, just look at which line is above and where the lines are directed. Study. We see here that the main line is at the top and the rest of the lines are directed upwards. Then the chart is directed upwards. And also in the opposite direction, the chart would be directed downwards. Something like this, and let's see for our trade. Yeah, our second trade is in plus. The profit is $176, and we move on to the last concept pair. Concept pair suits us. We will reduce the time frame to 1 minute. We will open a deal for the entire balance for an increase. As we see on the fractal that the last fractal was updated down. Then the chart will move up. We also see our buy signal on the MACD, where its main line crosses the signal line from the bottom up. That is our signal. Let's see. With our last trade close up, profit is $334. And if you have any questions, you can write me in the comments. I'll be glad to answer them. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.